Hey, Taylor! Taylor! Hey!
Do you always jump out of bushes?
You know, sometimes. What's up, Holdspark Nation? Today we have been challenged by SC Realty Group, Sam Chen, and he's basically said to us, hey, can you deliver 5 Hustle and Fit duffel bags to my customers? And we said, yes. So we're gonna do that today. We have to do it by 4 o'clock and make sure we get those bags. Thanks, Sam Chen, for the opportunity, and we're gonna get it done. See you later. Okay, so the first place that we're gonna stop by is to visit Elizabeth. She's an immigration lawyer, and we're gonna make sure we drop off a Hustle and Fit duffel for her first, and we're gonna get into it. Anyways, let's start moving, because as I told you, we're running out of time. All right, so we've got the bag right now. We're gonna go meet our first person to drop it off. Her name is Elizabeth, and I think she's coming out. Okay. Hey, so, hi. Sam Chen wanted to say thank you for being such an awesome customer, and he wanted to give you this Hustle and Fit duffel.
Wow, cool.
Yeah, so, you know, this is your free gift.
Wow,
and
thank you.
what is it you do? Like, I mean, as an immigration lawyer?
Well, at our firm, we help people come to Canada and stay in Canada. We're kind of special in our firm because you know, all of us are either immigrants ourselves or children of immigrants. And I think in our profession, it's very important for us to be able to understand where the client comes from and how they're feeling. And this is an extremely stressful situation that they often find themselves in. And I think that's what makes our team really special. So yeah, but thank you so much. This is amazing.
You're so welcome, and thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care.
All right, so we're now actually on our way to go meet Brooke. We're gonna drop off our next duffel bag. Super excited to meet another entrepreneur that's basically doing his thing. Anyways, you know, we gotta stay focused. We don't wanna be late, and we wanna make sure that we're on time. We have a deadline to hit. Sam has challenged us. We gotta make sure that we make it. All right, let's keep it going. Hey, Brooke, what's going on? Hey, doing good. Sam Chen told me to deliver this bag to you. It's the Hustle and Fit duffel. Carries your meals, your shoes. You can carry your suit in it. You can even carry your laptop. And he wanted to say thank you for being such an awesome customer and partner.
Great,
so
thank you.
You're so welcome.
It's amazing.
I like your building. What do you guys do here?
We try to help small local businesses grow. We are a commercial printer and marketing company. We try to be an extension to our clients' marketing team. So whether it's one person or 10 people, we help them engage with their marketing initiatives and execute, and ultimately try to help them grow their business.
All right, Holdspark family, we're gonna basically be meeting Taylor, which is gonna be so exciting. I can't wait to surprise this guy. You know what? One of the greatest things about meeting small business owners is that you get to see so many new things and learn so much stuff. Because we've got so many cool businesses in the city, and let's support small business owners. You know what I'm saying? Let's do this. Hey, Taylor! Taylor! Hey! What's up?
How are you?
Doing good. I have a gift for you. Sam Chen said to give this to you. It's a Hustle and Fit duffel bag. Carries your meals, your shoes, turn into a garment bag, everything you need for the average hustler.
Awesome.
And so, Sam said you were like a mobility specialist. What is that exactly?
We provide our customers with mobility products and services to help make their homes safer and more accessible. Yeah.
Pretty cool. All right. Well, hope you enjoy the bag there.
Do you always jump out of bushes?
You know, sometimes. See you later. Hey, Holdspark Nation. So we're actually on our way right now to the Villa Risi restaurant that's actually owned by Peter. He's the owner. And he does an Italian restaurant. You know, you get that good stuff, the pizzas, the pastas. He does all that good stuff. So we're basically gonna go meet him, and we're gonna go see what he's about and check out his restaurant. Okay, we're on the next final part. Peter, what's up? How's it going?
Good.
So Sam Chen wanted to say thank you for being such an awesome customer. He wanted to get you this beautiful duffel. It has meal compartments, shoes. You can carry your suit in it. It's his thank you for being such an amazing person.
Thank you.
I know you have this beautiful Italian restaurant. What do you guys do here?
Well, we specialize in Italian food mainly. Yeah, pasta, pizza, chicken, fish.
Nice. It's very fancy. Do you guys do banquets and like?
We do banquets as well. Special, meeting, small weddings. and so on. Yeah, and of course we have live entertainment, dancing, when everything is regular. Yeah.
Nice. Well, I mean, hey, this is a great place to check out, Villa Risi. Anyways, we'll see you guys later. Thanks so much, guys. See you later. All right, Holdspark Nation, we just left Villa Risi, the nice Italian restaurant. We're gonna now go to Cafe Michi, and we're basically gonna start heading down there right now. We're gonna pretty much drop off our last duffel, and we can hit that target. All right, talk to you guys soon. Awesome, what's up? Hey, I brought your Hustle and Fit duffel. So Sam Chen says, thank you so much for being such a great customer. Basically, you have your food compartment in there, you got your shoes basically, and it can open up into a garment bag. So you have everything you need. Now, I know you make some amazing cheesecake, but like, what else do you guys do at this restaurant?
So we're a restaurant, Japanese food restaurant. So we have sushi, and we also have Japanese like comfort food. And it's kind of like a course meal where you can have a slice of dessert at the end with your meal with a coffee. Yeah.
Nice. I've had some of your amazing tofu cheesecake, so I'm excited. And yeah, man, I just love what you guys do. Thank you so much for supporting and trying this out. And tell me what you think of the bag.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
All right, you're so welcome.
Hey guys.
Oh, Sam!
I didn't think you were gonna do this.
I didn't think.
Surprised. I had to check them out. Like I didn't think you were gonna do this, so you made it.
I did. We got through 5 different. We said thank you to 5 of your amazing customers. We did it. Thank you so much for setting us with this opportunity.
No problem.
And yeah, man, it's been a good day.
It's been a great day. So thank you. Thank you, Asa.
We did it. 5 businesses by the end of the day. Sam Chen, we beat the challenge. You got it. Anyways, Holdspark Nation, we are having a contest coming up very shortly. You could win some money. And here's the thing, it's for people who want to start their dream business, project, whatever. So make sure that you subscribe and hit the link below so that you can enter the contest. Anyways, follow us, subscribe to the channel, and Holdspark Nation, keep doing the damn thing.